Hi, this is Sonam Jayant, and I right now I am outside of my home. You can see right now I am on my field, and this is the fanching. You can see this is the fanch. I'm sitting over there for practicing English, and why I'm sitting here because of my goats. They are grazing over there. I'm grazing the goat. You can see there are a lot of goats. You can see some ladies, they are also grazing the goats, and I'm come here because my mother is working on the field, and I have to look after them because no one is here to looking after them. So that's why I'm come here, and simultaneously I'm practicing my English because yesterday was very bad day for me and my family as well, and everybody at sick in my family, and my mother-in-law, my nanny, is also very sick. So that's why I am looking after the goat, my goat. So you can see, and I am grazing the goat, and my sons, they are playing over there, so I can practice peacefully. So what happened yesterday? Since morning, I was feeling very low and sick, and started hurting my stomach ache. Then it convert into loose motion and there were a long day. Yeah, it was a long day. It happened continuously, and then when I took medicine, then I feel like recovery. But in the evening, lot of low motion. That's why uh, I started feeling very low, and there were less energy. And also today I'm also feeling like low energy because of the lot of loose motion. And why I am speaking not confidently, because there are a lot of ladies, they are looking after me. You can see. So, so that's why sometimes they are staring at me. Okay, no problem. So you can see right now I am outside of my home, and yeah, this is my field, and so I have to look after my goats, and there are some cows, they are grazing the grass because it is a village area, so everybody is like grazing the goats and cows, and some ladies, they are uh, watching other thing, they are gossiping which is other, and my mother is working there. There is my field. My mother is working over there, and I will show you later. So why I'm saying like this, because whenever I don't practice English, I just start feeling like losing my confidence. So that's why I always tell the people, please make the consistency is matter, because we are not living in a English spoken country. We have to create the situation, we have to create the atmosphere, then we will able to speak English. Whenever we don't practice each other, my main practice when I record myself, if I don't get time for recording myself practicing English like this, describing the situation, describing the what is happening around me, then I just forgot all the words doesn't come automatically if I don't practice every single day. So that is happen, I think it is happen everybody. Mama, काजू ले ले. Hmm. So that's why I just want to say something about my English practice. When I started my journey 2 months ago, that was I was nothing. But whenever I took the challenge, like English speaking challenge, every day I have to maintain the consistency. I have to create the situation where I can get opportunity to describe the thing, describe the situation. That's how I am learning. So if you really want to learn English, then just took any challenges. What I am doing right now, I am recording myself, I am explaining the surrounding. So this method helping me to learn English, learn like touch in this English words and vocabulary. And this way I am learning lot of vocabulary, phrasal phrases, idioms also, because this is the greatest method I have encountered. Because I tried a lot of method, but that was not good. That was not give any like a result. But now I am seeing myself a little bit confident, so I can confidently speak without hesitation in a public area. Because this is also a public area, you can see there are a lot of women, they are grazing goats, lot of children, they are playing over there, they are keep playing cricket. But I am speaking confidently. Why? Because I took this challenge and I completed confidently. So I just say something. If you really enthusiastic about learning and achieving fluency in this year 2026, so please don't be shy. Just allow yourself to just lot of mistakes, doing lot of mistakes, and no one can stop you. You will be a good speaker. You will be a good speaker in your life, because life is always gives you problem. Life always gives you a lot of things, but you, it's upon to you. How do you face the consequences? How do you face the challenges? If life gives you lemon, then make the lemonade. It is very popular, I think, phrase, idioms also. If life gives you lemons, then make the lemonade. So I'm making lemonade. And what is your lemonade? So if you are also like thinking about learning English, then took the challenge and learn English with me. So that is today's video, and I will not tell you something more lot of things, because I'm also not feeling very well because of yesterday's, and I'm still feeling low, lethargic, and like there are less energy left in my self. So that's why. So stay tuned and please continue your journey. Don't give up. You will be fluent in this year 2026. So keep learning, keep growing. And